Hi students, I'm here with lesson 9.1a. Today we're going to be focusing on the essential question, what is the vertex form of the quadratic equation, and what does the vertex form tell you about the graph? To begin, we're going to go ahead and look at a couple key vocabularies and features of what this is going to involve. So the first part we have here is the equation in vertex form. The equation in vertex form is always going to be y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Now, in this equation, the a value is going to be the stretch or shrink factor. So I have that written right here. And if it is negative, it's going to cause the graph to be flipped upside down, but most of the time the a value will be positive. The key feature from this equation is the fact that h comma k is known as the vertex of the equation. And you can see the vertex is the lowest point, or if it's upside down or reflected, it would be the maximum or the highest point. The second part of this is the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry, it has an equation of x equals h. The h is the same as the h in the vertex equation, so it's basically the x coordinate of the vertex. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line that cuts the graph in half, and it's basically that line of symmetry. Okay. Let's just go through and practice a couple of these things. If you'd like to, you can pause the video and try to figure them out on your own. So in this first problem, the vertex is going to be 4, 7, and the axis of symmetry is x equals 4. In the next problem, the vertex is going to be 8, negative 6. Notice it's always opposite of what you would think inside of there. And the axis of symmetry is x equals 8. The fourth one is going to be negative 5, positive 12. And the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 5. And the last one is going to be negative 8, negative 3. And the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 8. At this time, that's today's lesson. So take a minute, summarize what you've learned at the bottom or in your notes, and then be sure to give some practice problems a try.